The rise of legal tech presents countless opportunities for legal professionals to become more efficient while maintaining quality work. It's about transforming how legal professionals work, collaborate, and serve their clients. Hi, my name is Eric from PwC's NewLaw team, and I'm passionate about using technology to make legal industry more efficient, transparent, and accessible.
Hi, I'm Rodney, and my focus is on empowering legal professionals to harness AI to enhance their decision-making processes and work efficiency. We're looking for ways to incorporate GenAI to make legal services more accessible, especially for smaller firms.
Absolutely. Aligning AI with existing workflows is key. It's important to map the processes and understand how the tools can be deployed to digitize and automate those processes. We thoroughly enjoy doing deep dives into real-world case studies, showing how law firms can integrate AI into their workflows.
We also ensure that the content is dynamic and interactive. We want our participants to experience AI in action, not just hear about it in theory.
Imagine being able to reduce the turnaround time on contract review from 6 hours to 25 minutes. You can unlock a lot of productivity with the use of generative AI safely.
This can revolutionize the contracting process and improve turnaround times to better meet client expectations and needs. From brainstorming and preparing materials to using AI tools in real time, we are committed to pushing the boundaries of legal innovation.
Let's explore how AI can transform and streamline your work processes.
Legal innovation isn't just about technology. It's about rethinking the way we approach the law.
Together, we can build a more efficient, accessible, and forward-thinking legal system.